Hey Queens homeowners, are you thinking about selling but feeling a little unsure with everything going on in the market?
Today, we're breaking down exactly why the 2025 real estate market still offers a big opportunity, especially right here in Queens.
I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra, your real estate brokers with Empire Fine Homes.
So let's start with tariffs. Recent tariffs on imported building materials like steel and lumber have driven up construction costs.
This makes newly built homes much more expensive and makes existing homes more desirable than ever for today's buyer.
And when people ask if a real estate crash is coming, here's what you need to know. It's highly unlikely.
Why? Because homeowners today are in a much stronger financial position than they were before previous downturns.
And listen to this. Over 39% of American homeowners own their homes free and clear, meaning no mortgage at all.
And another 29% have at least 50% equity in their home.
That massive equity acts like a safety net. When people have real ownership in their property, they're less likely to default, even if the economy slows down.
Correct. And let's not forget over 82.8% of homeowners with mortgage are locked into interest rates below 6%. They're in no rush to sell under pressure.
That's right. And speaking of the economy, if you're worried about a recession, here's some important perspective.
In 4 of the last 6 recessions, home prices actually went up, not down.
And the only real decline were in 1991, which was less than 2%, and of course the 2008 crash, which was tied to very different conditions.
Exactly. And another trend we consistently see during recessions, mortgage rates tend to fall.
So when interest rates go down, more buyers jump back into the market, driving up competition for homes like yours.
Now, there is one thing we are watching carefully, and it is inventory level.
If more homes come onto the market quickly, it could shift the dynamic. So timing yourself strategically is important.
Bottom line, if you own a home in Queens, you are in a strong position right now.
And with the right plan, you can take full advantage of today's market before anything shifts.
If you are thinking about making a move, let's have a conversation. We are here to guide you every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.